Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Zoom for design presentations, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To log into Zoom for design presentations, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the official Zoom website. In the top right corner, locate the Sign In button. Click on the Sign In button to proceed. You will now see the login page. Enter your email address in the designated field. Next, type your password in the password box. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. This will guide you through the password recovery process. Once you've entered your email and password, click on the Sign In button again. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, check your email or authentication app for the verification code. Enter the code in the prompted field. Once logged in, you will be directed to your Zoom dashboard. From the dashboard, you can schedule a new meeting or join an existing one. To prepare for your design presentation, click on Schedule a Meeting if needed. Fill in the meeting details such as topic, date, and time. Set the appropriate settings for participants, including video and audio options. When you're ready, click on Save to finalize your meeting details. You can now share the meeting link with your participants. To join a meeting, click on Join from the dashboard. Paste the meeting ID in your display name in the required fields. Click on Join once more to enter the meeting. Now you're ready to begin your design presentation. Make sure to check your audio and video settings before starting. You're all set for a successful presentation on Zoom. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.